Hi, this is Tony, A to Z. Today I have this car with the 2015 Honda Civic. For this car with the problem with the noise from the bell sign at the outside of the timing tensioner, but I don't know what's wrong with the noise coming. Okay. Let me open and check it out. That the noise is hard to recognize where they go. See? It's very, very hard. Not easy. Now I lift it up a little bit and just in case I can remove the tire, I get the room to get under or something. We need to just in case we can do it for easy the job. First of all, I think with this car I can hear and diagnostic what sound come from. Now I check out the car. In the meantime, I let you hear the sound of the bearing make a noise. You can hear that after the car jack up, okay? Here.
Phía sau cũng kêu lớn.
Now I'm just the remove at the engine mount. See that they get the room for we can remove the bell out first, and we need to find out the problem. What wrong with the noise come from? This bell is kind of hard to remove them and install, but not easy to remove them. Because they have the very little room for you push down the tensioner for loose the bell. Civic always do like that. They look like they have the room is very hard. So now I get the bell out. Okay. This car run like only one bell. The serpentine bell, they go only one bell. It's go whole thing. Alternator, AC, go only one bell. After you get the bell out, but when you took the bell off, don't hurry to take it off yet. You have to remember where the bell routing is, okay? You have to remember that. If not, it's hard to get back in, okay? Now I try to get the room first. At the screw, the engine mount, see? As long as the engine mount was up, and then you get more room to get the hand on on there. Now I'm trying to remove the sound I hear come from the back with for the tensioner, bell tension. I mean this one for the idol. That's hard to take care of because the room is very narrow over there. So they try to get it up. Now I'm try to get the bell up and then take the idol out. Let you guys hear the sound when I stop in here and second for you. I second, you hear the sound tick 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 tick. That means the noise come from the tensioner when the car running. Okay, I will stop here for you hear the sound.
Cái này lắc nó nghe sao, bởi vì khi mà chạy lên đó là nó máy thật lớn.
Now you hear the sound already, right? The sound like tick 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 for the idler. Now I put the idler back on. Okay. After I put the idler back on, and then I will put the bell too. Put everything back together and try to start the car and see the noise gone or not. But in the meantime, I hope this the problem. Nothing else come up. First of all, I was planning on the sound come from the alternator or the tensioner too. But when I remove the bell out, the tensioner doesn't make any sound. Not too big, like I can hear like normal sound. So that's why I decided to get the idler. Now put everything back and put the bell back too. Right now I make the more room than before. So let me get that bell back on. This bell with if nobody hold it and you do by one person, it's a little bit hard, but I'm trying to get in. But once again, don't forget the bell routine. If you get wrong, you can go search on the Google or you have computer. You have to look it up for year and model of the car and then you can get the bell routine back. If not, you can Google that. Google have a lot of information about the bell, so they can see what size the engine, like 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, and you or 1.8, and they have their own bell routine there. You can look it up which one with. Time with the idol.
Ok, như là tiếng ồn nó giảm đi là rất là đáng kể ha. Chúng ta quay bây giờ kết thúc video tại đây ha.
Okay, today I'm done with this car. Okay, please don't forget the subscribe, like, and share. But I will see you on the next video I make it. Okay, look for Tony A to Z. Thanks.